It is very important to establish relationships with your audience. Until recently, the multimedia presentations did not offer any possibility or space to obtain feedback. The proposed interactive presentations are interesting both for learners and for the teacher. Such solutions will enable to reinforce relationships and bonds between the learner and the teacher.
Why is it worth using interactive presentations?
Building relationships between learners and teachers.
Obtaining feedback.
Attractive form of delivering knowledge.
Anonymous opinions.
Enabling remote group work.
When to use interactive presentations?
During lessons and extracurricular classes.
When we want to know the learner's opinion.
When the learners prefer to express their opinion anonymously.
If we need a group work tool.
If we want to participate in observing group work.
When we learners need to feel as an important part of the teaching and learning process.